This is the Bentgo Kids Snap and Go lunchbox set. So it comes with this lunch bag that has a lot of different functionality. So first you've got a strap here that your child can use. It can be lengthened to whatever length you want it to, and it can clip on and off in two different places. So you can either clip it like this or clip it on these two hooks on the top. And then you can carry it like this if you would like to. It has a handle right here that you can hold. Also has a handle on the top with a buckle. So if you need to clip it or buckle it to a backpack or something like that, you can do that here. On the side, you've got a spot where you can put your water bottle. It has a little drawstring, so this pulls out and you can tighten it closed with this little bungee here. On the back, there is a zipper pouch. Now this is just shallow. You can put little notes or napkin or small items in here. It is very narrow or kind of thin. So nothing large can go in this pocket, but just small little items can go in there. When we open up the main compartment, it opens up nice and flat. On the inside, you have a mesh side over here with a zipper pocket. So you can store small odds and ends in here. You can put silverware, napkins. You can also get one of these silverware holders from Bentgo. So this is their silverware holder. It's a little case. If you snap it open, you've got a fork and spoon that sit in there for your child to use, and then they can just put them back in here at the end of the day and store it away. Now, the lunchbox itself is a great design. So here's the size of it. So it's nice and deep, so you can put some larger items in there if you need to. And it's got 4 clips. So these pop off and the whole lid comes off. So this is a slightly different design than some of the other Bentgo lunchboxes, which is really nice. This whole lid comes off and then your child can eat out of this tray. It is divided into 4 different spaces. You've got 2 larger ones and 2 smaller ones. Now, like with any other Bentgo type of lunch boxes, it is spill proof, so the items aren't gonna cross-contaminate because it's got this design here with these silicone seals that are gonna seal it in. What's nice about this, you can see there's actually more compartments here than in the lunchbox, and that is so that the lid can go on either this way or this way. So if your child doesn't put the lid on the correct way, it's fine. So that was kind of by design. So the lid's easy to go on, really easy just to snap closed, easy for little fingers, so it just easily snaps. It is a great lunchbox, comes in a number of different designs. This is the dinosaur design, and of course, if you go and buy any of the other Bentgo items, you can buy the matching pattern to go with your whole lunchbox set.